So I don't think you have a choice. How can you be an artist and not reflect the times? That to me is the definition of an artist.
Take the hood off, take the fender off. I guess we might as well take both fenders off.
Yeah.
Although this fender is still good, I don't know, maybe I could get rid of it or something. Take the rad support off, possibly get the subframe and everything off in the front too. But we'll see. We'll see how much we get though. Yeah, just a couple bolts on both sides. Okay, Harmon, keep it there. Okay. I'm gonna need, Nick, I'm gonna need your help for 1 second. You can still hold it, just toss me a socket, that's all. Harmon?
10. Next one, your head.
No, I'm fine, I just don't want holding it.
I'm holding it, yeah.
Okay, sweet, thanks dude. I don't care about it there.
Nice.
Just taking all the pieces off so when I get the new hood, I can move them all over. But I think I'm gonna get an aftermarket one.
Okay.
I just want the fitment and everything to be good, obviously. But I think I'm gonna get a carbon Febury one because I want the bulge.
Huh.
And at that point, the hood's garbled. Should we cut it? So the next step, we're gonna take the fender off.
Okay.
And it's a little bent here, so it's garbage. All the other stuff we don't need that's broken, like the rad support, whatever these pieces are. We don't need this because this is off the 135. So we'll just take all the bits off that we don't need. And that should be it, yeah.
That's smart. And then hopefully by the time
So, you have 3 top bolts?
Yeah, there's gonna be a bunch on the sides that we're gonna have to get to.
Yeah, and the door.
Then get these 2 out. Just crack it with that, yeah. You're good. I'll be here all day. I'm gonna have to do the most annoying thing again. Try to get one bolt out for like 18 years.
Skrillex, ready? Is it that bolt we're trying to get out?
Yeah, I can get that off, but I think it's gonna be easier to take the washer tank out first anyways.
Okay.
And it needs to come out, so. That's the issue though. There's another bolt in there.
Nice.
Is there anything I'm missing on this one?
Is that, you gonna reuse that? It's not damaged?
I can reuse it, but I don't think I will because I think the one has its own, like a different shape because of the fender. This can go, I'm not putting headlight washers in the car.
No, it's useless. I literally don't know why they even exist.
Good, that's most of the work done.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right.
This is gonna be heavy keying when it decides to drop.